Fernando Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yeah, so for today's vlog, pupuntahan natin itong isang underrated diner dito sa may Lazatin Boulevard.
Actually, notice guys, ayun lamang siya, di ba? Ang liit lang. Pero bubusukin namin kayo doon sa mga pagkain na ihanda nila. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go! So on our table, napakasimple lang ng mga food natin. So meron tayong burgers, meron tayong shawarma and fries. So for our burgers, meron tayong fully loaded. And ito yung pinakaabang ko, yung glorious nila. Kasi later, magdidrip tayo dito. At the same time, we have cheese quesadilla and yung kanilang cheese shawarma. And for our fries, so meron tayong cheese, barbecue, and sour cream flavor. Sa mga drinks naman natin, we have matcha latte and white chocolate macadamia.
So available dito guys, spicy or not spicy for their sauce. We like it a little bit spicy, so that's it. The first time.
Try next naman yung kanilang cheese quesadilla. Ayan, no? Nice!
Alright, so habang ini-enjoy natin yung mga pagkain na inihanda nila para sa atin, let's talk about the place, bro. What can you say about the place?
Yes, actually yung plates, napakaliit lang. Actually, good for dito sa loob, 8 persons. Meron din naman siya sa labas, up to siguro 10 pwede.
Yes.
Pero ang kagandahan naman dito is napaka-chill niya. At the same time, para siyang mga hole-in-the-wall na shop. Napaka-simple and take note, napaka-Instagrammable niya.
Actually, when you go here guys, para siya talagang going back to the 90's, no? Anyway guys, dito sa 90's Diner, available din pala yung mga modern folk na bags natin.
Actually, maganda to sa mga mga asawa, girlfriends. Napaka-minimalist yung mga design. Pero imagine, meron siya sa Glorieta.
Correct.
And
Boracay.
And
And then, the one and only dito sa Pampanga.
yes.
Alright, tikman pa natin to. So once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much din 90's Diner for inviting us.
Yes, actually napakasimple lang ng mga food dito. If you want burgers, mga fries, shawarma, last to taste natin, yung mga waffles.
Waffles and kanilang mga refreshments. So, dito for the refreshment, you can enjoy some coffees, meron din mga cocktails. So, meron din silang mga cocktails dito. Ayan. So, they also encourage yung mga curbside drive-thru, mga ganyan. And then, go here with your family, with your
barkada. Simple chill date.
Yep.
With your special someone. 90's Diner and Takeout is located dito sa may Lazatin Boulevard.
Yes.
Ang pinaka-landmark lang naman niya, katabi lang siya ni Auto Check. And they are open from Monday to Thursday, 10 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. And for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. sila.
Yun. So, yun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here.
Yes. So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye guys.